Okay, so this is the washing machine. As you can see, it's very dirty, very dirty. So any plate you put inside doesn't come out so clean. You can see it's all dirty. So this is like before, and then I'm going to show you after. I'm just going to show you how you're going to clean your washing machine. In here, this is where you put your salt. Because of the hot nature of the water in the United Kingdom, you have to put in salt in here. I'll show you the salt later. I'll fill in the salt, and here is like the filter. For us to clean, you have to remove it.